Thank you very much, Tim. Excellencies, esteemed colleagues, Madam Secretary General, I'm delighted to be moderating this opening session of day 2 of the CTO Ministerial Alliance on Satellite Connecting the World. A couple of weeks ago, I completed an 18-and-a-half-year tenure as the Secretary General of GSOA, the Global Satellite Operators Association. The topic of this session... Thank you. The topic of this session is therefore something that I know a little something about, but certainly one which is very close to my heart. I'm very grateful, therefore, to Secretary General Bernadette Lewis for inviting me today. We are going to start the session by hearing from 5 honourable ministers what they see as the main concerns and challenges for complete connectivity in their countries. Then we will hear from satellite industry experts on how their solutions can address those challenges. I'm sure that everybody here today is well aware that the satellite sector is innovating at an unprecedented pace. In the digital space, 5G is being rolled out across many countries, and we now even see a narrative around 6G emerging. But for me, the question is, should we celebrate and invest our hopes in every new connectivity solution that emerges? Is it right to do so when we know that 2.7 billion people in the world are still unconnected? I firmly believe that the value in any technological advancement lies in the difference that it makes to society as a whole. Thankfully, satellite technology has great value in doing precisely this. As the only solution which is viably able to connect rural, remote, and isolated areas quickly and effectively, satellite is at once the solution for bridging the digital divide, as it is for extending the reach of 5G or enabling seamless connectivity for users in the home, in schools, in remote villages and islands, in offices, or even on the move. In the last 2 years, triggered by the pandemic, we have seen the most accelerated use of satellite solutions to connect the unconnected. I'm confident that as long as governments continue to promise complete connectivity, which they've been encouraged to do in the wake of the pandemic, this will continue to be the case in years to come. So let us start the session, and it's my honor to invite the 5 esteemed ministers to please join me on the podium. Can I invite you to join me?